Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about 5th class science, chapter number 4, our body. So, students, we do many different things like seeing, touching, hearing, smelling, eating, studying, playing, etc., and loads more. These are sense organs of various parts of our body. So, our body has various parts called organs which perform different functions. And also, several organs together perform major functions, that is, respiration and digestion. These groups of organ, a form of a system, is called organ system. You have already studied that our body is composed of cells, then tissues, then organs, last in our body. So, the cells that perform a common function grouped together to form a tissue, and also the tissues are carried out the same task from organ. So, different organs, different functions, and together made of an organisms. So, students, let us discuss in this chapter. We will read about skeletal system and circulatory system in details. Okay, students. Now, what is skeletal system? Look at the blackboard, students. A skeleton is here. So, the skeletal system is a rigid framework, and they works as a support structure for your body. Provides the body shape, allows some movements, makes blood cells, and also protect the internal organs and store minerals. There are 206 bones in an adult human body, but it composed to around 270 bones at birth. So this total decreases to around 206 bones by adulthood after some bones fuse together. So in some age or adult age, there are 206 bones are there in our body. So the skeletal system comprises of the skull, backbone, ribcage, and limbs. So students, let us know about what is skull, backbone, ribcage, and limbs. Today we will discuss. Okay? Look at the backboard. Skull means the head part of skeletal system. So the skull is the bony framework of the head. It protects the brain. The skull consists of 8 cranial and 14 facial bones. That makes a total of 22 bones. The cranial bones make up a protective frame around the brain, but the facial bones make up the upper and lower jaw and other facial structures. Except the lower jaw, all other bones in the skull are fixed and hence immovable. We are able to talk and eat because of the movable of lower jaw. This is about of skull. Next one, backbone. Look at the picture. The backbone is also known as the vertebral column or the spine. It consists of 33 irregularly shaped bones are called vertebra. These bones make a strong framework which protect the spinal cord. Next one, the vertebral column enables us to stand upright and maintain our balance. Third one, rib cage. Look at the picture, student. Ribs are thin, flat, and curved bones. They form a protective cage around the heart and the lungs, all called rib cage. The rib cage consists of 24 bones arranged in 12 pair of ribs. The ribs are joined to the bone in the front and to the backbone at the back. Apart from protecting the heart and the lungs, the ribs apart from protecting the heart and lungs, the ribs also protect the parts of stomach and kidney and spleen. The last one is limbs. The human body has two pair of limbs, the forelimbs or the arms and the legs. The thigh bone, known as femur, is the longest bone in the body. So these are the some skeletal system. Okay, student. In your next class, we will discuss what is joints and circulatory systems. Thank you, student.